Developing Java applications with Bean Markup Language and have BML files. This format defines Java Bean configurations through XML-based markup. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Bean Markup Language files. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn BML files, you need a software that can work outside the box, a true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. A BML file is a document written in Bean Markup Language, an XML-based language used for defining and configuring Java objects, beans. Developers use BML as a human-readable alternative to programmatically instantiating complex object graphs, making it easier to manage application configurations, especially in Java-based frameworks. BML leverages the hierarchical structure of XML to mirror Java's object-oriented nature. Elements map to classes and attributes map to properties. This design was chosen for its platform independence, readability, and the availability of robust XML parsers, allowing for easy integration into Java applications for dynamic object creation. The proper file association links BML directly to the Apache Jelly solution by Apache Software Foundation. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for this file. Windows shows only what the script contains, while the runtime determines how it behaves. We'll begin by checking potential openers. Right-click the BML file and click Open With. If Apache Jelly is present, use that first. If it's missing, select another program. A quick test will reveal the right app. If the BML file is still refusing to open, it's expected. General troubleshooting won't work on this BML file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, editing in text editors. Open BML files in any text editor or XML-aware editor like Visual Studio Code or Eclipse with XML support. The XML structure displays clearly with proper formatting and validation. XML-specific editors provide schema validation and code completion when working with Bean markup definitions. Next, using BML interpreter. Download the IBM Bean Markup Language Interpreter library to execute BML files within Java applications. The library parses BML and creates the corresponding Java Bean object structure at runtime. Add the BML jar to your Java class path and use BML APIs to load and execute BML configurations. Finally, migrating to modern frameworks. BML is largely obsolete, with modern alternatives like Spring Framework providing similar functionality with active development and broader adoption. Consider migrating BML configurations to Spring XML or annotation-based configuration for ongoing maintenance. This provides current framework support and developer community. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.